Hi, I'm Jesica Eames. I'm an Imago faculty member and an Imago relationship therapist here in Atlanta. I had this really fun thing happen in a session this week with a couple, which they had done a lot of really lovely work about amplifying the positives and trying to increase kind of the positive connection between the two of them. So when they came back a couple weeks later and we were checking in about how it went, one of the things that we discovered is there was a piece of the work that was missing. And what I decided to call it, and we laughed about it, was we have to catch each other in the goodness as couples. And so catching each other in the goodness, what I mean by that is when your partner makes an overture, they do something differently, or they say good morning, or they do something that feels good to you. Catching each other in the goodness is turning to that person and acknowledging it and saying, I felt that, or I appreciated that, or that was really nice. And it starts to kind of snowball this very cool energy of positivity with each other. Simple acts of kindness, quick moments of connection, and catch each other in the goodness, and it helps.